commission for the tea house by FATHOM presented a unique challenge to imbue a sense of bespoke luxury into a newly constructed condominium, already fully habitable but lacking distinct character. While the location boasted impeccable security and convenience, the interior, furnished with ubiquitous mass-produced items, felt less like a personalized haven and more like a showroom. This observation became the architect's guiding principle. They recognized that true luxury wasn't just about high-end finishes, but about creating an environment that deeply resonated with its inhabitants, a concept they believed was missing from the current setup. After insightful discussions with the client, two pivotal elements emerged as the heart of the renovation: the extensive use of upcycled paint crafted from oyster shells and the strategic integration of lush greenery throughout the space. The oyster shell paint, with its remarkably delicate texture, finer than a grain of ricin, became a unifying skin, transforming bland walls into subtly textured canvases. Existing wooden window frames, once stark and uninspired, were softly coated at their edges and bases, making them seamlessly disappear into the newly unified surfaces and effectively altering the generic condominium view. The introduction of greenery was far from a simple act of placing potted plants. Instead, it was conceived as an interactive, immersive experience. A verdant boundary was meticulously crafted between the study and the dining room, forming a soft, organic partition that blurred the lines between the two areas. A striking architectural device, the dining bench, was sculpted from micro-cement, its upper part forming a trapezoidal bowl into which the greenery was integrated. Sitting here, one would find leaves gently suspended overhead, evoking the profound tranquility of resting beneath a tree, a rare communion with nature within the floating sensation of an upper-floor dwelling. Even the exposed concrete ceiling was subtly linked with mirrored surfaces, allowing the reflection of daily life to dance across its inorganic expanse, further blending the natural elements into the urban setting. This thoughtful transformation transcended mere aesthetics. It was a philosophical statement. Drawing from the lived experience of over a decade in a flat, the designers championed spaces that echo personal introspection over the homogeneity of mass-produced dwellings. The tea house renovation, by revisiting the bespoke methods often found in older vintage condominiums, offered a compelling blueprint for contemporary living. It demonstrated how even the most uniform of new Japanese condominiums, often resembling interchangeable chain stores, could be reborn as secure, functional sanctuaries infused with the unique spirit and thoughts of their residents.